gas like fire due to LPG. Class D. Metal fire. Shut down the power when there is fire due to electricity. Then find out the category of fire A, B, C, or D and extinguish accordingly. Method to operate fire cylinder. Read the labels and learn how to operate fire extinguisher. Pull the safety pin of the cylinder. Place the head of the hose of the cylinder towards the base of the thing. Press the hand lever. Keep on moving the hose left and right on the surface of the fire until fire is extinguished. Call emergency immediately if fire is beyond your control. Special precaution to be kept during firefighting. Don't use water for extinguishing a fire on electricity. It may give electric shock. While using carbon dioxide cylinders, cylinder and hose become very cold, which may cause cold burn. Therefore, use it without touching metallic parts with hands. Hold hose also at the right places. Don't obstruct access to fire extinguishers. If you don't know firefighting, seek help immediately.